Now we are going to tell you 5 such powerful steps that if you follow them, then not in the next 1 year but in the next 3 months or 6 months, you will start seeing amazing life-changing results and make a comeback like you always wanted to make. If you want to make this comeback the best comeback of your life, then definitely follow step number 4. Because in this we have told something that will definitely make your work easier. After years of our research and personal experience, we have finalized these 5 steps for you, out of which do not miss the 4th step even by mistake. But before that, you have to follow this first step. Step 1: Clarity. Well, now take a screenshot of what you see on the screen. Now let us tell you why this is important for you. It is because the more clarity you bring in your mind, the better and faster you will be able to achieve what you want. But most people do have clarity about what they want, but that happens intermittently. I get lost and then I watch 10 different videos on YouTube so that I can make my comeback. But from now on, you should not make this mistake. Rather, if you want your vision and mindset to be very clear in the coming 365 days, then for that, first of all, you have to take a paper sheet and divide it into 4 parts by drawing a line in the middle, and then yourself. You have to ask these 4 questions and write the answers to these questions truthfully. If I was absolutely fearless and never failed, what would I do? What will I feel most proud of after 1 year? What are the 3 things I should stop doing right now? What advice would I give someone else if they were in my situation? When you take enough time and start writing down the answers to these questions yourself, your mind will start getting clarity. Your brain fog will start reducing and you will know exactly where you have to go in the coming days, why you have to go, and how to reach there. It is said that everything happens twice once in your mind. Second in reality means everything happens twice, once in your mind and second time in reality. Now whatever you are thinking of doing, you have to stick it in your mind. You have to keep this paper with you for the next 1 year. And whenever you don't have clarity, you just have to read from it and you will see for yourself what to do next. It is like a torch that will keep showing you the way by lighting up your path ahead, so that your vision remains clear and you keep moving without stopping. Now see step 2: magic of manifestation. You may have heard that to keep your goals in mind, keep looking at them again and again, and use a vision board for that. Well, you have to create a physical vision board, but along with that, you also have to create a digital vision board which will make you manifest your goals 24/7. You have to create a digital Pinterest template for which you have to do just this. Open Pinterest, go to your profile, click on the plus icon, and create a new board and name it like My Best Life Secret Board. Toggle the secret option so only you can see it. Browse Pinterest images, find quotes and visuals that represent your goals. Save pins pin whatever inspires you to your board. It's now saved to you. To see it regularly, add Pinterest visit to your phone's home screen. This will make it visible every time you unlock your phone. So your goals will appear right in front of your eyes and they will keep getting fed into the subconscious part of your brain. Now that your vision is clear and you have exactly decided what you want to achieve, now we want you to make an action plan so that you can definitely achieve these goals. Step 3: reverse engineer action plan. Okay, now whatever you are seeing, pause it and read it carefully once. You can also save it. Actually, this is the best way to achieve your goals. Whether your goal is health, wealth, relationship, or anything else, the steps of every game plan are exactly the same. It is the same. If you want to win a year, first win a month. If you want to win a month, first win a week. If you want to win a week, then win your today. This is a clear step-by-step system that will help you reach your goals. Right now, you have to focus on the 5 columns below it, because right now, you have to achieve what you want in just 1 year. Basically, breaking down your goals is the best way to achieve your goals. That is, set 1-year goals for yourself. For example, if you want to gain 12 kilograms of muscle in 1 year, or reduce your fat percentage to 15 to 10%, then this should be your yearly goal. Then divide your 1-year goal into 12 months. Every month, set small milestones, like gaining 1 kilo of muscle every month and following your diet plan 100%. Weekly goals. Break the monthly goal into specific actions every week, like completing 4 workout sessions every week and taking out 2 hours for meal planning. Daily goals. Break your weekly goals into daily tasks, like doing an intense workout for 1 hour every day and consuming 120 grams of protein right now. And most importantly, what can you do right now? Start one small actionable step of your daily goal right away, like writing down your workout plan or packing your gym bag right now. Whatever you want to do, break down each of your goals and you can achieve your dream with this reverse action plan. But it will not be possible without knowing this step 4. Step 4, don't repeat the same mistakes. Out of all the people who set their yearly goals, only 8% of them are able to achieve their goals by the end, and the remaining 92% people fail again and again. Do you know why this happens? Because those 92% people do not follow the steps that we are going to tell you now. Actually, most of the people set goals every time but keep repeating the same mistakes throughout the year and expect nothing. They try to get different results, and this method keeps making them fail every year. Due to this, they set goals but are unable to achieve them. Now, all the mistakes that an average person makes, he fails again and again, learns from them, and then is able to make some changes in his life. We have also been that average person, and whatever mistakes he has made, whatever the methods are, we have experienced everything ourselves, and only we know how valuable that experience is. Because we also think that if only someone would have come at that time and told us where we are making mistakes, if someone had saved us from these mistakes, then maybe we would have become successful sooner. So do you also want to make the same mistakes this time which you have been making? Like the same time management, not being able to focus, procrastinating, not having discipline, not being able to control your mind, not being able to achieve all your goals in the end. If you do not want to repeat the same mistake again and are serious about changing your life this year, then we will definitely suggest you to join our Success Secret. If you're also like the other 99% people, if you don't want to repeat the same mistakes this year as well, and if you want to make the same mistakes, then don't join it. Because our goal is not to sell you the course, but to help you achieve your goals and success so that you don't keep making the same mistakes like the other 99% people. And right now is the best time to join it, because right now you have the right time. It's time to start. Look, we have given you the solution to these problems in this. Along with this, we have given you our personal motion planner for free, through which you will be able to track your progress and growth daily, which we ourselves also follow daily. Every year after joining this course, we have received such good response and positive reviews from you people, which we had not even imagined. Well, that is why for a short time we have given it a discount so that you can afford it, so you can join from the links given in the comments and description below before this discount goes away. Look, we are not forcing you, we just want to say that we have made this course with our years of experience and hard work, so that many people like you do not make those mistakes and face problems in their life. Don't waste time, and like us, you too can achieve success quickly. So let's go to the last step, step 5, track your progress. Just like there are semesters in school, college, competitive exams, divide your upcoming 365 days into 2 semesters. This will let you see the result and report card of your self-improvement journey every 6 months. To track this, we use a simple habit tracking app called Habit Bull. Who is not a sponsor of this video, but we have been using this app for the last 5 years and always keep giving ourselves a 30-day challenge. We do not focus on what we will do or not do in the whole year or 6 months. We just set a specific goal and challenge for ourselves and focus on every one day. In this 30-day challenge, we give ourselves just one rule. That is never miss 2 days in a row. Which means no matter what happens in these 30 days, we will not miss any of our habits or any work of our goal for 2 consecutive days. Start with 7-day challenges that from this Monday to Saturday, I will do all my work and complete all my habits. Once this 7-day challenge is over, then take the challenge of 1 month. By completing each challenge, you will see results and then you will stay motivated. Tracking your progress shows you your growth and makes you feel that you are on the right path. If you want to do this work back guaranteed, then definitely join our Success Secret from the description link given below. So if you like this video, then support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that you do not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.